Namaskaram friends. So in this video I am going to talk about big data. What big data means? Data basically means a type of information which is processed and analyzed by computer and stored in it. So this data is of any type. It is audio data, video data, image data, uh, text data. So all these types of data. So computer store it, analyze it. But if data become very big, very complex, then our traditional tools are not capable of analyzing it, storing it. So a data which is so complex that our traditional computers are not capable of analyzing it, storing it, then that type of data is called big data. And nowadays, big data is very, very important. In companies, it is very important. In health sector, it is very important. In education, very important. In security, in politics, in economics, in every arena, big data is very important. Because by analyzing big data, they come to a conclusion where they can find a true value or truth of anything. For example, many MNCs, multinational companies, are demanding data, and they call data a new types of word because all their policies, program, their future expectation are based on that data. On that data, they understand what is the demand of customer in future, what they demanded, what types of requirement of people of that area, that arena. So big giants like Amazon, Flipkart, Tesla, many spacecraft, you can say Falcon, many big giants in different sector, not only in one sector, in different sector, in politics, in business, in space, in economics, in engineering, in health, in education, in whichever area I talk about, big data became a very significant and play a very crucial role in policy making, in governance, in international relations, in security aspect, in science and technology aspect, in development aspect, in improving the life of the people, as well as in advanced research. So these are the very few. These are very important keyword related to big data. And now we are going to understand what big data is. So data is a information which is processed and stored by computer. I tell you earlier, this information may be in the form of text, image, audio clips, software program, or other types of data. Other types of data you can call it video and others. So it may be images, audio clips, software programs, text documents, videos, or etc. So big data is also a data, but with a huge size. Its size is very huge. Such a data is so large and complex that none of our traditional data management tools like our computers, laptops, tabs, etc. are able to store it or process it efficiently. They may store it, process it, but it is not efficient. That so it is not important because if data is stored, processed in an efficient way, then we use it in any arena in a proper way, and we find a good result, good conclusion. So big data is nothing but a data which is complex, and our traditional data managing tools are not capable of process it and store it in an efficient way. That's why we need a more supercomputer type of things which process this large number of data. So our scientists research, many people work on developing a computer, a supercomputer, a fast computer which analyze, process and store these types of big data so that in future many companies, many big MNCs, many government organizations, many private institutions take advantage of that data and give benefit of this technology to the common people, to the elite people, as well as to the government, as well as private sector. So I hope you understand what big data is. So the importance of big data and application of big data application examples in different industries are, I tell you now, its importance is very huge in industry. Its application of big data importance is very huge. First one is in retail and consumer. When you go to a shop, a retail shop, so you want to purchase thing on a cheaper price. Not only cheaper, you also want to check its health, its nutrients, is it good for you or not. So all types of data related to that is available on the barcode, available on the product. So it is beneficial for retail consumer as well as for the seller. Second one is financial fraud and services. We can stop many financial services. We provide financial service to the people as well as stop the financial fraud with the help of big data. Web and digital media. We access the web as well as digital media in an efficient way. If we have a big data, if big data is available in an efficient way. Next one is health and life sciences. In health and life sciences, we use big data and improve the life of the people on a higher level. Next one is telecommunication. It is very obvious in day-to-day life. If big data is available in an efficient way on a larger platform, then telecommunication companies benefited from it. They understand the demand of the people in which area, and then they provide their services related to that data. Next was in e-commerce and customer service. E-commerce companies like Flipkart, Walmart, Flipkart acquired the Walmart and Amazon and others who uses the data, big data, and understand the demand of the people, which types of cloth they want, which types of shoes they want, which types of you can say footwear they want, which types of books they want. So on the basis of that data, they store these things in their store, so people easily purchase it online, and both producer, consumer as well as investor, all the stakeholder, producer, consumer, stakeholder as well as delivery, everyone is benefited from it, because through map they easily understand in which location they go and pick up and their parcel and deliver their parcel, as well as company also know the demand of the people. So big data is very important, and it is not only important in terms of science and technology, in terms of the life of the people, in every arena, whatever you think of, big data is important. Nowadays, in terms of artificial intelligence, robot is called most efficient, more away from the machine, or you can say uses artificial intelligence types of things when, if this machine have a backup of good quality of data, or you can say big data, because if big data is put it in that machine, that machine have a more chance to answer the questions correctly and serve the people on a higher level. So I hope you understand it. Now we are going to solve one question for it. You can clearly see a picture of this. Through this image you can clearly understand different types of data present here and there in binary number, in mathematical expression, and computer process it and try to find some result out of it. So the question is, which of the following is your application of big data? First one is drug discovery. Yes, in terms of drug discovery, big data play a very significant role. It fall into a health services category. Abnormal trading pattern analysis is, yes, if any fraud is happening, so an abnormal trading pattern show on the screen. So this also we can find this fraud with the help of the big data. Disease pattern analysis, yes, completely true. Of course, in health and life sciences sector. Fourth one is supply chain management, yes, in trade, or you can say consumer, retailer sector. So all the four options are correct. With the help of the big data, we control we discover new types of drug, we control disease, we analyze the disease pattern, as well as supply chain management, abnormal trading pattern analysis. So all the four options are correct. That means option D is correct. Just check we are on the right path. Yes, option D is correct. So I hope you understand this topic and enjoy this topic and get some perspectives of benefit out of it. So namaskaram. Thank you.